Hey guys, welcome to my unwrapping of my new Speed Cube. Now, I ordered this, I'd say a week and a half ago maybe, and it just got here today. And it's got this stupidly annoying tape placement, so I'm going to attack this without a knife. That looks good. Be easy just to rip one of these off, wouldn't it? I gotta say, I haven't seen one of these types of one of these in a long time, actually. I'm not sure I've ever actually seen one on a package, but yeah, making short work of that. This here contains the cube itself. It's a DIY cube, and there you can just see a black side. So let's just get that open. I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to open this actually. There's tape here, so I think I'm going the right way about this. There we go. There. Nice one. Whoa. Alright. So, that's all of the pieces. Got the core. Got some tension springs. It's a transparent cube. I wanted it because it's a bit different from... the cube I use now is just a regular Rubik's Cube, but it's extremely broken in. I say extremely, it's not... On my other ones here, as you can see, it's a bit different. This is actually, believe it or not, a red side. The orange side, I mean... That's actually an orange side, like that. This is red, and... Yeah. But with this, it's quite a lot more loose compared to this. I don't use this much anymore because I have this. This is about a year or so old, I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, I wanted to order this because I've never really had a Speed Cube before. I've only really ever used these, and I wanted to give it a go, really. And I read so many, I watched so many videos on YouTube, and they were saying stuff about how good they are, and I decided to go for it. So just have a look at these sides. This is, I think, this is an edge piece. It's maybe a little bit hard to see. Yep. There's a corner piece. It's got, I don't really know much about cube pieces as I'm just starting out collecting, but it's sort of a mini square on a cube in the corner, but it's got ground down edges. There you go. Have a look at the colours, the stickers. We've got black, obviously, green, orange, yellow, red, blue, and this. I'm not sure what this is actually. It's just a clear film. Ah, I think I know what that is. I think that's you take this off, put it on the colours, and then you'd put it on there, stick them down, and then just peel it off. Alright, that's actually pretty decent. I'm quite happy with that actually. Yeah, I like that. Oh, we have more colours. Yeah. Huh. Nice. So, 2 sets of stickers, which is really cool. Sorry, just whacked the lens. take a look at this. And then you got the springs, and I believe, yeah, they're bits that attach the cubes to the core. Nice. I'm pretty happy with that, actually. Right, so that was my unboxing. I will make a second video of me using it, or no, sorry, I'll make a second video of me assembling it and giving it a first solve, and I will give my impressions of it. And before anyone says anything, I'm not quite sure on, oh, it's a centerpiece. I'm not quite sure on what make it is, as I bought it from eBay for £5.90, pound sterling, and it came from Hong Kong, so I'm not sure if it's got a proper make per se, but yeah, towards the future I'll probably be getting stuff like Cube for You, Diane, YJ, stuff like that. Anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching. Keep subscribed to this channel for the assembly and first use, and see you then.